So what we do is we provide a suite of integrated services for video publishers that makes their content discoverable and social. And we do that by turning the video into text. And so sometimes people say, oh, you guys are a transcription service. Well, that's part of what we do, but it's a lot more than that. It's a fairly simple process from the publisher perspective, but basically we turn the video into text, host the transcript in the cloud, load it automatically and intelligently onto the publisher's website, sort of effortlessly once they get it set up, underneath the matching video. And then we have a JavaScript application that takes the transcript and turns it into an interactive transcript, allows you to search and navigate through the video. You can tweet out video quotes, and those quotes will link back to the video at that exact moment inside the video where that quote came from. And if a blogger comes and copies a quote from the transcript, that quote automatically links back to your site and starts the video again at that exact moment inside the video. And from the publisher's perspective, it's really easy to set up. You just connect to your YouTube account, your Blip account, your Brightcove account, and then install our plugin on your website and just tell us which videos to transcribe, and then that's it. Like, you really don't have to do anything else because it'll load automatically server-side into the HTML. And you won't just get sort of a crummy, automated transcript, which is, and that's the problem with sort of YouTube automated captions, RAMP. RAMP solution is that the purely algorithmic, the purely automated solutions, they only work if you have perfect sound quality in, a single speaker speaking in a sound studio with a perfect voice. That's a small percentage of the market, and that's great for that. But the problem with that is that anytime you get any sort of variance from that kind of norm, the results kind of fall off a cliff. And so what we do is we combine artificial and human intelligence. We sort of start off with speech recognition, and then we have a human layer on top of that that starts from maybe this rough transcript and turns it into something really accurate. We've started off building off of Amazon Mechanical Turk, which is a crowdsourced labor pool that people can tap into. And what we've done is we've built sort of an intelligent quality assurance process on top of that. And part of our technology is machine learning algorithms that track worker history, identify good workers, and distinguish them from bad workers, and weight them differently. So it's a multi-step process. So think of it as an assembly line. And like a modern assembly line, some parts are automated, some parts have humans. And the beauty of this system is that from a artificial intelligence perspective, machine learning perspective, we're able to sort of capture all this data, all these transcripts, and feed them back into our algorithms and make them smarter and more intelligent over time. It's a premium service, and what we want to do is we want to be able to service kind of the whole market. So you can actually sign up today on speakertext.com, and we actually have transparent pricing, where there's different pricing tiers, and so it is a hosted service. It's not just pay by the minute transcription, which I think something people get confused on a little bit. And so the lowest package starts off at $20 a month, and then you just pay per minute of transcription, and goes up from there depending on how many video page loads you're doing. And so the self-serve packages range from $20 a month up to $1,000 a month. And then beyond that, it's sort of if you go above 500,000 video page views, that's an enterprise deal, and we negotiate that directly. So you can just use, if you have a PayPal account, a credit card, just sign up. Out of the box, it works with Brightcove, YouTube, Blip TV, very soon Ooyala, and then after that, Vimeo. If you're using your own player or one of these open source players, we're actively working to integrate with them. Once you install the plugin on your site, part of it, we have a server-side script that loads the transcript into the HTML, but part of it is JavaScript, so it loads client-side. And what it does is when you just embed the video on your site as you normally would, and then SpeakerText loads the transcript directly underneath the video. And it's in this collapsible interactive transcript player. So if you want, you can just have it load in sort of a collapsed little sort of bar that'll say expand transcript. When a person clicks on that, they can open up the transcript drawer, read the whole thing, click around on the text, search within the video, share video quotes on Twitter just by highlighting the text. If they copy text into a blog post, that quote will then automatically link back to the publisher's page and start the video at that exact moment inside the video. So it's great for consumers and for the end user, but it's great for publishers too.
SpeakerText is easy to install and works with popular publishing platforms like WordPress and video sharing sites like YouTube, Blip TV, and Brightcove. To learn more, visit speakertext.com.